Hey guys! No, I keep on starting my intro like that. Hey guys! Welcome to Toesdays! The best day ever. I'm complicating my intro, but hey guys, welcome back to Toesdays. Y'all already know what we do over here. We do toes because we like to do toes. Even though it's boring and plain, we like to do that too. So in today's video, I'll be removing this ugly set that I did. No, the design was cute, but the application was so if you want to see that video, I will link it in the description, or I'll link it to this video. It was a short. The way that I was so pissed off with that video, I decided to make it a short. So whenever I don't post content on time or I have them over for a long time, I tend to turn them into shorts because honestly, I'm trying my best to be proactive on my channel. Like maybe 3 years ago, I was so into doing my YouTube channel. I don't know what happened. My life is life in for me right now, but I am trying. I am pushing forward. But this is not the video. We are doing some tours. By now, you're supposed to know what the steps are. If you're new, you know I have a whole playlist that you can go check out. I will definitely link it to this video if you're interested in that. So we're going to remove the oil polish. Then we're going to go ahead and use my ball bit to go around my cuticles because this helps to push it back. Also, same as a flat top. Some of the steps that I usually take is not there, but I find that sometimes less is more and more is less. Does that make sense? You get what I'm trying to say, right? Yeah. Honestly, sometimes I'm too much, but yeah, you get the shift of what I'm doing. So I'm going to use my pusher at the same time scraping off the buildup around my nails. I do sometimes have very excessive buildup around my cuticle area. I don't know what is the cause of it. It's just that I may have excessive buildup on my nails, my nail paper. I'm going to use the nipple to scrape it off while at the same time push it back, after which I'm going to go in with my softest sanding band to go over the nail plate to remove any extra polish that was on my toes, anything that's never needs to be there. So I'm going to use the softest sanding band on my nail plate. So I usually preach this in my videos. I think I want to believe that I do, but whenever I maintain my nails, or I'm maintaining anybody's nails, I tend to downgrade to a more gentler tools. I don't use the same tools that I used to begin my work. Yeah, I use the softest. I decrease the damage. I'm trying to decrease the damage that I'm already creating damage, so I'm trying to decrease that amount right there. So I will use my softest sanding band on the nail plate, after which I'll go ahead and cut down my nails. My nails have been very soft. I have complained about this 1,001 times. Like, my toenails are this nails them on a whole. My finger and my toes, they are so soft. No matter what I do, them soft. Yeah. So I'll go ahead and cut it down. So it don't really make sense to grow them out. The only way that I can grow them out is if I have product on my toes, which is like builder gel, acrylic, or tips. That's the only way that my toenails grow. Otherwise from that, them short, which I do not mind, to be honest with you. So yeah. So I'm gonna shape up with my cuticle, my emery board, and then I'll go in with my primer. Then I'll go in with my base coat. Go. Girl, you don't know what you're saying. Yeah, I'm going in with my base coat, then I cure that for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to choose the color today, which is purple. This decision was nothing. I don't know. I was just testing my luck whether or not this would have been a good color on me. Or a greater color. I have done colors that didn't suit me, but I didn't think that purple would have suited me. I had always thought about using purple on my toes or my nails like that. And my fingernails is what actually inspired me to do purple, to be honest. And I went and decided, okay, all right, I'm gonna do a darker purple than what my nail design is. And it came out tea. I'm not gonna lie, I got compliments about it, but I never think that the color would have suited me, especially this depth. You know what I say of purple. I wanted a lighter one, but I decided to test it out and did this color. And the color was tea, to be honest with you. I love it. I really like it. I was hoping to do matte, but because I was so unsure about the purple, I decided to keep it simple. It was already simple to begin with, but simple. I'm gonna do the gloss, and you can't go wrong with it right there. So that's exactly what I did. I go ahead and cure between each coat. Then I went ahead and do my top coat. I'm wrapping up. This is like I like this part, like when I'm top coating and after I top coat and cure for 60 seconds, I will then go ahead and oil my cuticles. That's the part that I love because it's resulting. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You already know some love chat, so I hope I'm not bored you guys. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Follow me on my socials, that's Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you guys next time.
Sweet love, you give me nothing but sweet love.